What's up, guys? How are you? Welcome to my channel.
This guy is stupid.
Apple has done some stupid things in the past, such as dropping the headphone jack, popularizing this abomination at the front and at the back as well. But recently, they've been on a good side, such as launching a $400 phone, pricing the iPhone 11 cheaper than its predecessor, the iPhone XR, and more. They are also expected to price the new 5G iPhone 12 variants the same as the iPhone 11 variants. So all of this was making us believe that Apple is no longer the company we used to despise in the past. But it seems we all got it wrong. They are back doing those stupid things again. This time they will no longer include a charger inside the box. Yes, you heard that right, a charger. You need to buy it separately now. A famous Apple analyst says Apple is doing it to keep the pricing of the iPhone 12 variants down. 5G networking components on the iPhone 12 series will increase the cost, and Apple wants to sell the iPhone 12 at the almost same price as the iPhone 11, and that's the reason Apple is going to pass 100% of the cost savings directly onto the final price. But the problem is nobody is going to see it like that, even if it's true. Because the charger is a basic need for a phone. Without it, the phone can't even function. Just imagine you go to Apple Store to buy the iPhone 12 Pro spending over $1,000 and come home only to find that the phone is running out of juice and there is no charger. If the phone was required to connect to a computer, then it could be somewhat justified that the computer will act as a charger, but when the iPhone is completely standalone and you are purchasing a $700 to $1,100 product that you can't use after one charge without another $30 purchase is beyond insane. I see a lot of people already on Twitter, predominantly iSheep, shamelessly defending this idea, saying they have a lot of old chargers laying around, so this move from Apple makes total sense. Listen, a tech-savvy person who upgrades his phone year over year and sometimes twice a year may have more than two chargers laying around, but an average consumer does not. Remember, people sell their old phones with chargers and earbuds included. So if they want the new iPhones, then this is going to cost them $63 to replace the AirPods and the 18-watt fast charger that the iPhone Pro models come with. It's somewhat acceptable for them to not include the AirPods, although I hate the fact that they forced us to use Bluetooth headphones. But without a freaking charger, a basic necessity for a smartphone is not acceptable by any means. Not today and not tomorrow. Maybe once we get true wireless charging where we don't need to put the phone on a mat and it gets charged over the air. Until that doesn't happen, the cable is from where we are going to charge it, and charging brick is absolutely necessary. What do you think? Do you find it acceptable to not have a freaking charger inside the box when you pay over $1,000 for a phone? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.